Today I'm pleased to be here for this major milestone for the construction of rail to Dulles. A majority of landowners in the western Dulles corridor have voluntarily agreed to create this special tax district to pay for the construction of rail stations in the Reston and Herndon area. And this tax district will provide $330 million in capital funding for the project. This will be a major economic boon for the county and for the corridor. And it will provide a much-needed transit option for that part of the county. I'd like to thank the landowners for having the vision and the foresight to take this critical step despite these economic times. I'd like to thank especially Lee Pfeiffer and Jeff Fairfield and the Western Alliance for Rail to Dulles for their leadership in bringing the private sector together. This was no small feat to sign this petition. When I first took office in February, I made Rail to Dulles one of my top priorities. In the months since, we have seen the signing of the full funding grant agreement with the federal government, and this summer the federal Commonwealth, or the Commonwealth of Virginia, secured its share of funding and construction began on phase 1 of the project. Now we have secured funding for stations in the western corridor. Major transportation projects are not an easy undertaking and are the culmination of years of effort. And I like to say sometimes that major transportation initiatives sometimes move along at a glacial speed. The concept of this project began 4 decades ago with the construction of Dulles Airport. Planning began in earnest under the leadership of Kate Hamley when she was chairman of the Fairfax County Board, and her successor, Gerald Connolly, moved funding and construction of Rail to Dulles onto the front burner and never gave up as the project encountered serious challenges. There were always times when there was a threat that things could unravel and not happen. We have much left to do, and the project is far from complete. The next steps for creating a tax district are public hearings and approval by the Herndon Town Council and the Fairfax County Board of Supervisors. And our board hopes to hold these hearings in November and have formally adopted the district by the end of this year.